So the Rivian accessory we're going to look at today actually protects you and your lungs from harmful pollutants. So we're going to be looking at replacing the Rivian cabin air filter, which for me is still the OEM one, and I got sent a best EV mod air filter for the cabin air filter for the Rivian that I'm going to look at replacing. I'm going to show you a side-by-side so we can look at the Rivian OEM against the best EV mod, see if there's any difference there. I'm going to show you where the cabin filter is, how to replace it, and then at the end of the video, if you stick around, I will tell you what is my favorite Rivian accessory I bought up until this point, because I have a few and all of them are pretty great, but I'm going to give you an insight into my favorite Rivian accessory so far. So let's get into it. So Best EV Mod sends your air filter in a nice little box, and then is actually protected in a little plastic baggie too, which is nice. So let's pull out the old air filter so we can compare it against this new one and get this new one in place. And then I'll talk to you about my favorite accessory. So the filter is underneath this, I think this part here. I don't know if I have to take this whole thing off. I don't think I do. Maybe I do. There we go. So it's kind of, I was thinking you could just pop this part out, but I don't think you can. I think it's molded in. Let me pop this other side out. Okay. We're making moves. All right, put this aside. So as you can see in there, that is a pretty dirty filter. So let's see if we can get to that filter, and then we'll pull that one out and replace it with a new one. All right, so this is the Rivian OEM filter you can see here. Get my face out of that. So you can see this is Rivian, so it's just got a kind of like a charcoal side and then a yellow side. And then what's interesting is this has a like filtration side, and this back side has little charcoal in it. Has little beads of charcoal on the backside, which is pretty interesting. I didn't think that was gonna be that way, but it's obviously to trap the harmful pollutants, which is cool. It shows you on the front here, it has the airflow side, so this will be facing the front of your vehicle, and then the airflow will through and then into your cabin. So, you know, pretty much exact same size. There's a little bit of, you know, puffy material on the outside just to get a good seal, but this is the OG and this is the new one. So let's get it installed. They feel about the same weight. This one does not have the little charcoal pucks. I'm certainly going to keep this one just in case I need to order a different Rivian one, or this one doesn't actually look too bad, but I am at like 16,000 miles, so it's kind of time to replace the air filter anyway, so we'll get this new one in. Okay. So that fit right in there. So those little grooves should kind of snap into there. Assuming that's That's good, and we'll put in the top part here and try to snap it into place. So we got the Rivian put back together, just popping that panel off, sliding out the old filter, sliding in the new Best EV Mod filter, and then popping that panel back on. I had to get the step ladder out just to get some leverage because I couldn't reach back that far because I have small arms. But yeah, everything went together well. It slid right into the pocket, no issue there with the size of it. So I will leave a link for that Best EV Mod air filter down below. Remember, it has the little kind of carbon pellets as well, which is interesting. Not gonna be interesting, it is interesting, and I won't be able to really test whether it does a better job or not. So that link will be down below. My favorite Rivian accessory that I've gotten to this point is my Best EV Mod bed mat. So the Rivian bed mat comes with the hard plastic. Not actually a huge fan of that because stuff just flies everywhere. So Best EV Mod came out with a bed mat for the truck. You can probably hear Vader drinking, and it keeps everything in place. So big thing for me is I obviously use gas cans a lot for my mower, and that gets super irritating when you have them in there. Even when they're full, they still slid on the hard plastic. With those rubber mats, I can have an empty gas can in the back as long as I'm not doing 0 to 60 and testing out the abilities of the truck. They'll pretty much stay in place, which I really enjoy because then I'm not fishing them all out of the bed of my truck when I get to the gas station. So that's my favorite thing. I'll also leave a link to that bed mat in the description below if you're interested in something like that or you're already irritated with your Rivian bed. That should be it. If you like accessory videos around the Rivian, certainly check out this one here, and we will catch you on the next one.